herb garden, guys. It is the beginning of July in northern Michigan, and it is just totally exploding.
Welcome to Food Prude, where we're learning old-fashioned ways in a modern world.
What's going on? I mean, this is just beautiful stuff. Comfrey is doing wonderful. We've got some perennial sunflowers here that I really like. They smell like chocolate, I swear. There's some ashwagandha that is not doing so good. Look at this. This is Elecampane. Oh my gosh, it's just getting big and tropical. Lemon balm is looking fantastic. I've already got a whole bunch of that. Got the echinacea starting to pop up. This is really cool to see as the bloom's already happening. I have some rosemary. It's going to be giving me just enough. We've got different kinds of mints. And the prettiest purple/pink yarrow. Oh my gosh, I just love that. We've got some stinging nettles over here. This one's already kind of gone to seed and kind of bad, but there's some good fresh stuff that's still over there we can get. We have so much marshmallow that it's insane. I'll definitely be splitting that off, but I harvest the root for that. We have some hyssop that's just starting to turn purple, looking really pretty. We've gotten plenty of strawberries. We just eat fresh strawberries. I don't really do anything else with them besides having fresh. We have some oats over here with a dog, of course. That's some milky oats, so when it gets to the milky stage, I'll pick those. The stingy nettles. It's a 9-bush bark tree thingy. It's just pretty. It was a really good pollinator. We have more marshmallow. We have some other little small things that are popping up in here. We've got my Egyptian walking onions that are doing really good. We have plenty of weeds as well. How lovely is that? We've got the valerian right there. We've got bigger valerian. Actually, that's popped up several places. We have some globe thistle. We have some bee balm. We've got more mint. And then there's actually a horseradish underneath there. We've got the lavender starting to pop up. That's really pretty. There's some motherwort that I got to come in here and harvest before this goes to seed too much, but that has really taken off. I love motherwort. There's some valerian back there. We've got some other little small things, some different types of basils popping up. Sage, our white common yarrow, is hanging out with us as well. We've got some little berry type trees that are doing really good, or bushy things. Some other little small things that have popped up that I've planted. Some German chamomile maybe that'll pop up. A little tiny rosemaries that I started from seed. That's so hard to do. We've got the catnip as well, and more calendula. And over here is poppy. I absolutely love poppy. It's really good for headaches and calming down. And we have more marshmallow. And then we'll close off with my apple tree that I started from seed, from an organic apple seed. Isn't that amazing?
Thanks for being here with me, friends.